Once upon a time, there was a peaceful forest. All the animals lived together happily. One day, a cruel and powerful lion came to the forest. He hunted animals every day and filled the forest with fear. The weak animals were helpless and frightened. So one day, all the animals decided to call a meeting. They went to the lion and said, "Lion, you scare us and kill animals every day, so we have decided to send you one animal every day as your food. Please don't hunt us all." The lion agreed. Every day, one animal was sent to the lion. Then one day, it was the small rabbit's turn. The rabbit was not strong, he was not big, but he was intelligent. On the way, the rabbit did not panic. He thought carefully and made a plan. When the rabbit reached the lion's cave, he was very late. The lion roared angrily, "Why are you late? I will kill you." The rabbit bowed and said calmly, "Please forgive me. On the way, another lion stopped me. He said he is the real king of the forest." The lion became furious. "What? Another lion? Take me to him." The rabbit took the lion to a deep well and said, "He lives inside." The lion looked into the well and saw his own reflection. Blinded by anger, he jumped into the well and died. The forest became peaceful again. Moral of the story: one intelligent mind is enough to defeat 1,000.
I was not strong, I was not big, but I used my mind.
Please subscribe to my channel. Like, share, and comment your thoughts. If this story touched your heart, please comment below. Thank you for watching.